I'm finding my way home. Keep the light on, you're never alone. Some days the road feels longer than before, and we both carry things we cannot ignore. But even when the world gets loud outside, I still feel your loving by my side. We do not have to have it all worked out. Real love can stand through fear and doubt. If you need space, I will understand. Just know I'm here, still holding your hand. Keep the light on for me, I'll keep the light on for you. No matter how dark the night may be, our love will carry through. Keep the light on for me, don't let your hope grow cold. I'll find my way back to your heart. This love is worth more than gold. There may be rain on the window tonight. There may be tears that fall out of sight, but every storm will one day pass. And love that is real is built to last. I remember the warmth in your gentle smile, the way you make the hard days worthwhile. So if you are tired, just rest a while. I'll wait for you with an open smile. Keep the light on for me, I'll keep the light on for you. No matter how dark the night may be, our love will carry through. Keep the light on for me, don't let your hope grow cold. I'll find my way back to your heart. This love is worth more than gold. No, we don't have to be perfect, we just have to stay true. When the world tries to pull us apart, I will keep choosing you. The night can never last forever, morning always finds its way. So keep your loving